Welcome to the Griddle Guy. Well, Griddle Guy and a brand new Griddle Girl is Gracie. Hey, puppies. So today on the Griddle Guys, Nate's off the wall busy working at home doing a project, and Chris unfortunately is still kind of sick right now. It's been a crazy month, even 2 months coming up. So this is going to be a quick meal, quick cook, and it's delicious. We are doing pumpkin
noodles.
Pad Thai. This is the perfect fall meal. I got my son behind the camera working that, but this is gonna be quick, easy, and delicious. So we're gonna get right to it. Cheers. All right, we're gonna get right to it. This is relatively simple. I had most of these ingredients in my house. The only thing I needed to get was the pumpkin puree, and I was out of cilantro. Anyways, we're gonna get right to making the sauce, which is really the only thing that you have to make. Other than that, it's just throwing some fresh vegetables in. Hey son, I'm over here. Hey, how's it going? So normally I use chili garlic paste. They didn't have it at the store this time, so I got a Moroccan chili garlic paste. But either way, that's what you're looking for, just to give it a little spice. So I got 1 tablespoon of that, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. I have a ½ cup of pumpkin puree or pumpkin pack. This is a little softer, but you can use either. I have 1 tablespoon brown sugar. I have a ½ cup of water. And I have I love peanut butter, so 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. That might be a little strong tablespoon, but either way. The other thing too is I would definitely double this recipe. I'm only making it for me and my son right now, so it's something that I'm not gonna make a huge portion. This is your stir-fry sauce. It's that simple, and it's really delicious. Just whisk this up, and you're gonna see it's gonna get kind of thicker, and then it's gonna thicken even more once you throw it on the surface. You're just really kind of breaking up the pumpkin and the peanut butter. Get that incorporated. So that is your sauce for the Pad Thai. As far as ingredients that I'm gonna do for the actual stir-fry part of it, I got green onions just for toppings. I got cilantro, same thing, just for garnish or toppings. Edamame, right there. That's about a ½ cup to a cup. You got about a ¼ cup of bean sprouts. Usually you don't have a lot of vegetables in Pad Thai, but I like broccoli, so I'm gonna go with broccoli. And then we also like some cabbage, red or green, doesn't matter. This is gonna be about 2 cups sliced. This is pretty much all set. The only thing I need to do is chop up some cilantro, and you're gonna keep this nice and fine. And then we'll go over the protein in a second. Keep your fingers out of the way. And we're looking for like roughly, I don't know, ½ cup or so. Just a rough chop, doesn't have to be too fine. So guys, that is the prep. Make the sauce, take the frozen edamame out of the freezer, grab a handful of bean sprouts, handful of broccoli, which just cut the crowns off. Really, the biggest thing is cutting the broccoli, cleaning the cilantro, slicing the cabbage. Everything else is pretty simple. I do have green onion, like I said, for topping, but that's it. I actually think I'm gonna do the wok today. I'm gonna bring the wok out to the jet burner on the griddle, which I've never used on camera, and seeing the guys on here to give me a hard time, I think that's what I'm gonna do today. She already knows the routine and where to stand. You know where to sit, huh, Gracie? All right, so today we are going to use the jet burner. This thing is quite a beast, and it's still working. That's light, nice little flame action. And we are going to keep an eye on the siding, because this is the real deal heat. Turn it down just a little bit. And what I didn't talk about, guys, was the chicken. So I did chicken thighs, and you'll see up in the video above or in the overlay, I cut them to about a ¼ inch, just strips. And this is about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. I took a little bit of the fat off on the outside. I know Nate's not a fan of that, but I am, because there's plenty of intermuscular fat within the chicken itself on the thighs that you don't need the chewy stuff on the outside. But anyways, we are going to get this going And this is gonna be all in one shoot, so don't mess it up, Anthony. You ready? All right, so nice hot wok, right? Get that oil going pretty good. This wok, this jet burner is, whew. All right, so start with the chicken, right in there. Gonna try and spread it around so that way every surface is getting touched. Nate's gonna be so off. We might have to bleep that I'm using his wok on my jet burner without him being here, because he's wanted to do this for a long time, since I put it on. So as you can see, this is not taking long at all. Give that a little action, give me some. So this is the trick, or the hack, if you will. I buy these instead of, you normally have to buy rice noodles or different noodles and you have to soak them or you have to do this or that. These come in individual packages, pre-cooked, you cut it, you warm it up, and that's it. So between that and nice quick chicken action, it's really easy, really fast. You don't have to put any vegetables because pad thai normally doesn't have too much. But you can put whatever you want. Like I'm doing broccoli, bean sprouts is usually typical. Oh yeah. Losing chicken. We're gonna leave that. All right, so we definitely want the chicken to be done. So we'll give that a couple more seconds. And once the chicken is done, it is going to be literally just throw the ingredients in. So I'm gonna start with the stuff that might take a little bit longer, like the cabbage and the edamame to get warm or start to soften a little bit. Throw the broccoli in, and the sauce is going right on top, about half of it. And then after that, it's going to be the noodles. Rest of the sauce, cilantro on top, it's gonna be done. This jet burner is working incredible. And I don't know here if I'm melting the side. It's warm, it's not that bad though. Ooh. Getting a little color. All right, gonna give that one more minute. It's probably done, but just a couple more. This burner's working awesome. All right, we got color on our chicken. It's done. So now, cabbage. We are going to do edamame. And we're going to do a little bit of sauce, about half of it. Take down the heat a little bit. This jet burner is insane. Broccoli. We'll save the sprouts for last. Guys, noodles. That easy. You gonna do 2 packages, son?
Yeah, sure.
All right, give it a toss. Rest of the sauce. Bean sprouts, some cilantro. Get a good mix on that. And that, it's done, that's it. Wanna come in on that, son? Actually, I'll bring that up to you. That right there is pumpkin pad thai. And let me tell you, it is delicious. See you inside. All right, guys, I apologize for the quick video and doing some of the prep before, but this is on my lunch break at work. So, I brought the wok in here. And you can do this on the griddle just as easy. It's just, this is fun. So I'm gonna give myself a nice pile of that. Come over, little green onion action. And then I'm just gonna get some peanuts, dry roasted peanuts. While I'm doing this, guys, I just wanna say thank you. Again, I've said in the past, but I'll say it again, our community is incredible. Everybody's so supportive, and everybody's comments and compliments on my weight loss is really appreciative. You know, we all know that it's not easy, you know, but thankfully, healthy, happy, doing it the right way with just diet and exercise. And again, just wanted to say thank you for all the compliments out there. It's been nice, it's been nice. I also want to say hopefully Chris gets better soon, and Nate, where are you? But anyways, so I got some chopped peanuts, we got some cilantro already in there, green onions, and this is gonna be done. So like, subscribe. Sorry we haven't been hitting the comments. Like I said, it's just been crazy. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I definitely recommend this cook. This is a family favorite. Did this last fall, this fall. It's warm, it's creamy sauce, mild, tiny bit of heat on the back end, but delicious. Anyways, guys, cheers, thanks. We'll see you the next time. Love you. All right, guys, this is a little bonus action with my son behind the camera, now in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Can you see how jacked he's getting?
No.
Every day at the gym. Every day. That kid gives me inspiration. But anyways, so we've made this before. We're gonna see, he's one of the biggest fans of it, so we'll see if he still likes it. Usually like it spicy though, but.
Yeah.
Still good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, there it is. College kid approved.
Oh,
Where's Gracie?
Right here. He's waiting for some.
Gracie, did you approve of that, Gracie? Did you approve of that? All right, guys, cheers.